Sarah sits on a kitchen chair and looks out a large window.
So my name is Sarah. I'm from Ohio. I'm a mom of 2 kids. One day, I was outside doing some yard work, thought I would be really helpful and trim some bushes. So I started to cut them, and I felt what was burning on my hands. It wasn't burning, I was being stung. So I kind of jumped up and grabbed my phone and called my husband. I said, oh my gosh, I was stung. Went into the garage and realized that I was still being stung. They were in my clothes. I went into the bathroom, and when I came out, I had realized that something was really wrong. My motor functions had started to fail. And as soon as I got my husband on the phone, I let him know that something was wrong, and with that, I had gone unconscious. My husband dialed 911 from his work phone, and from his personal phone, he had dropped in on our Alexa device, instructed my son and my neighbor how to administer the EpiPen, and was able to do all this through our Alexa device. At that time, I was already blue. I was no longer breathing. When I did finally come to, the first thing that the ambulance had said was that if my husband hadn't acted so fast, made the decision to drop in on the Alexa and tell my son exactly what to do, I wouldn't be here.
Sarah's kids play in the yard.
My kids, I have never been prouder. My husband, his quick thinking is honestly what saved my life. Our devices at our house play such an integral part of our family now. There's so much more than just shopping and music. For us, it's part of our family.
Sarah stands in her yard with her son and daughter. She has one arm around each of them. As they all embrace, they all smile. Alexa Stories at Amazon.com. Alexa,